I think I should shave. Okay, I'll keep this bag. Hey guys, I was just kidding. So, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to do a small DIY stuff with the package I received from Amazon, which I showed in my last vlog. And this video is not going to be a vlog, it's mostly like a tutorial. I'll just show what I'm going to do with my GoPro. This video will help GoPro users. If you are a GoPro user, if you love your GoPro but the only problem you face with the GoPro is the battery, then this video might help you. So let's get on to it. So in this video I prefer to talk in English, as it is a tutorial. It would be nice to talk in English. So it's done, guys. So what I have done is I've just connected this GoPro to this power bank using this sticker. This sticker costs like 200 rupees from Amazon. You can purchase it and just connect it, and it can work like a GoPro mount, and at the same time you can use this charging ports to connect on this. And also remember one thing, so just to connect this wire you need to remove this side clip. Once you remove this, remember two things, they are very important. This is very expensive. This costs us like 2000 rupees in Amazon, so keep it very safe. And one more thing is, when you remove it, this camera is not waterproof anymore, so make sure you don't get drowned. So whenever we try to solve this battery issue, we often try to buy extra batteries, but they are very expensive. And the second solution we might end up is a rechargeable kit, which is around like 4800 in Amazon, which is very expensive. They give like a one battery plus charger with two sockets, so that you can put two batteries and charge it. But the problem here is you cannot charge it while using it. And the third option obviously is the battery grip. The third party company, they are doing it, but it's freaking expensive. It's around like 6000 or 7000 around. But this power bank is like around 1200 something, and these stickers are like 200. I'm sure many of you already have power bank. Anybody into media industry or anybody who owns a smartphone, almost people have this power bank. So all you can do is you can just buy a 200 rupee sticker and stick with this. Alright guys, I'll finish my video from here. So with these stickers you can go very creative with it. So if you have any more creative ways of using this GoPro in as different mounts, please let me know in comments. Also, if you like this video, please like, share with your GoPro friends, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Until then, bye bye.